how do you go about choosing an audition speech?
Doing something that you feel like you'd enjoy, because you might have to use the same audition speech throughout, like for many years, or it might be something, if you have a collection of like your favorites and something you feel like showcases some of the skills that you could show as an actor, I think that helps.
What I do when picking stuff is I pick something which is in my forte. So something which I'm skilled at, which I know I'm skilled at, so for example, one of my favorite monologues to do is Edmund's from King Lear, for the simple fact that I took that on a tour in my first year of university, and I worked 3 solid months on it, and I really like created this character which I can really put forward, and I can really trust myself to go as far and as wide as possible with it. That's the way I do it. So yeah.
I think it's got to be something that you relate to. I don't think you should choose something that you think is going to show you acting well. For example, there is a play called Crazy Gary's Mobile Disco by Gary Owen. It's a really good play. But and a lot of it is made up of kind of monologues, and I chose that as a speech to do in my first year of drama school auditions, but the character was just so different from myself. But it gave me a chance to play lots of different parts and sort of be someone a lot more kind of thuggish than me. And then I came to a realisation that just being yourself is more important, and connecting with something that's something that resonates with you. So choose something that resonates with you, and choose contrasting speeches is important. But yeah, I think the most important thing is something you connect with, and that's irrelevant of gender, really.